Good morning, everybody. Today we got the Vietnamese homemade soup with spinach and shrimp and rice. All right, without further ado, let's dig in. First thing first, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, sorry I've been neglecting this channel for a minute. Just been super busy with work and all that, man. Alright, let me do a thumbnail, huh? Alright, we got the thumbnail thumbnail down. This is me in my alternate universe. I'm rich on social media, but poor in real life. Alright, let's get to it. I'm only rich on social media. That's my Snapchat Bitmoji. Yeah. So basically, spinach, shrimp, and rice. That's all we got. Oh yeah, by the way, today is the first day of fall back. So the sun set at 4:54 p.m. now. Any of you guys like that? I hated it, man. Thought they got rid of that. Maybe next year. Spinach and shrimp. Hopefully you guys like the ghost pepper whopper. I get the most views for Mexican food videos. Yeah. Mexican food is the most popular ethnic food. Wow. Essentially everything is ethnic food, right? We're the land of immigrants. Yeah, what is American? Is steak American? Maybe steak is American, I don't know. Steak and potatoes? I'm pretty sure people had steaks like 2,000 years ago, right? I don't think that's, yeah. Burger is German. Fish and chips is English or British. Yeah, I get a lot of views on my Mexican food videos, but For Vietnamese food, not so much. Not so much. Yeah. Gonna get the new iPhone 15 today, fam. I went in on Friday, but they didn't have it, so I have to come back today. Oh yeah, please also check out my other 4 channels, fam. Side Hustle Addict, Side Hustle Tutorial, Cuộc Sống Mỹ Lê Văn, and Jolly Holly. Yeah, and Jolly Holly. Maybe on a nice day I'll take it out for some ice cream and do a live stream, huh? Only Jolly Holly is not monetized. That's gonna do for today's video, fam. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you guys on the next one.